Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a live walkthrough, kind of a demo of how I redeem my Dell credit, the $100 newly released Dell credit, as well as the Saks Fifth Avenue that is released every 6 months. A total of $150 credits. I'm going to be spending over $250 today, but really only being charged for around $60. And I hope by sharing this demonstration or tutorial, it does make it that much easier for you guys if it is the first time you guys are redeeming this credit. This video is going to be short, sweet, straight to the point. And if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so right now we are on the Amex offer benefits homepage. And we can see here the benefits that are available right now. But since I already added the Dell credit, we're going to have to go to add it to the card benefits. And from here, we're just going to go directly to the link, Dell.com at Amex Plat. As mentioned before in my previous video, you do either need to go to this website, order by phone. So that's how we're going to go through it. And I actually need a Bluetooth speaker. So I'm just going to type in Bluetooth. Let's see what they have. Bluetooth speaker. It can't be too expensive, right? So they have Ultimate Ears Mega. It's $250. That's $200. I'm not trying to spend more than $20. Oh wow, Bose is on sale for $80. Oh, this is a pretty good deal. I think I'm gonna go with the JBL Charge 4 portable. I'm gonna get midnight. Should I get camo? I'm gonna get midnight black. I think red and black look the best. I'm kind of stuck between these two. Fiesta red. What a color. Actually has pretty good reviews too. I think I'm gonna go black. Midnight black. Then we're gonna add this to the cart, and we don't want any protection plans. Subtotal is 119. Add to cart. There's a microphone here. We're not getting that. Free shipping. We're gonna check out. Guest checkout. So just completed the purchase. I saved a total of $60, but actually this is a $180 speaker, so I'm only paying $30, so I probably saved about $150 today. Awesome. So it's going to be arriving by Thursday, August 27th. As mentioned before, this is, you get $50 of credit for Saks Fifth Avenue every 6 months. I haven't used mine for this month yet, so I'm going to go in and try to get some cologne. I usually get cologne, so Chanel men cologne. They have some pretty nice cologne brands here, so I just go. They also sell clothes. If you ever been on this site, I usually go to sale or men's and sale, and because I'm pretty broke, I just go to sort by price from low to high and just look through. I have gotten socks from here a couple times, but that's how usually I do it. But recently I've just been getting cologne, so we're gonna go to Chanel. I heard that this cologne is really good. It's men's blue, I think, so I want to try that out. So from here, we gotta go to men's fragrance. There it is, Blue de Chanel. I don't know how to say it. Apparently it's best of. It got featured in Allure, the beauty experts, an award winner. So it goes from $77 to $130. We're gonna go with the smallest size because we do only get a $50 credit. Add the bag. Check out. Right now I'm being charged $6 or $7.50 for shipping that takes 3 to 8 business days. But if you also have the Amex Plat, you qualify for Shop Runner, free 2-day shipping. So I'm gonna try signing in through there. Oh, sweet. I remembered it. So I'm signed in, and now I get free 2 to 3 business day shipping, and the total is now $83, including tax, but shipping is free, and I do get it faster, and I also get free 2-day shipping. Order received. Thank you for shopping with Saks Fifth Avenue. And just like that, we've completed the online purchases of both the Dell credit and the Saks Fifth Avenue. I spent out of pocket about $60, but I was able to redeem over $280 worth of product. Damn! Yeah, that's pretty much all I got today for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. I just wanted to do a quick and short video for you guys, just showing how I'm using these credits. And actually, I think watching someone go through and getting these credits makes it so much easier for you to go out and do the same. So make sure you're getting those benefits as well, and peace.